The Larson Electronics automatic transfer switch is ideal for managing electrical loads between two sources in industrial facilities. This 30-amp 208Y and 120-volt 3-phase controller handles timing, sensing, exercise functions, and transfer commands. Operators may mount the NEMA 4X rated unit on compatible walls or surfaces. Applications include backup generators, power management, energy systems, industrial facilities, commercial spaces, and more. Constructed of aluminum, this unit is housed in a NEMA 4X enclosure. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.